Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa and Show. Here is what we have today.
Upresident wase-United States of America, uDonald Trump, eyinsukwini ezedlule ukhulume kanje.
Just listen to some of the appalling waste we have already identified. $22 billion from HHS to provide free housing and cars for illegal aliens. $45 million for diversity, equity, and inclusion scholarships in Burma. $40 million to improve the social and economic inclusion of sedentary migrants. Nobody knows what that is. $8 million to promote LGBTQI+ in the African nation of Lesotho, which nobody has ever heard of.
Lana uDonald Trump ukhuluma ngeimali eziphume eAmerica zekulamaza kwabalayo. Kodwa interest yami ela akhuluma khona ngeLesotho ukuthi kunemali ekhishwayo yeLesotho for promote LGBTQI. Kodwa uthi leyo ndawo leyo ayaziwa umuntu. Ile statement ke senza ukuthi uDr Mbuyiseni Ndlozi aphendule. Ngifisa ukucaphunela uDr Mbuyiseni Ndlozi uma sisuka lapho seku-CIC. CIC ngesikhathi bekhuluma eParliament ukhulume kabanzi ngoDonald Trump. Sizoqala silalele uDr Mbuyiseni Ndlozi uma siphuma kuye bese silanda uCIC.
We wake up every morning and the head of state in the United States has gone to basically try and erase, violate a people's image. Fanon once said 2 centuries ago, a former European colony decided to catch up with Europe. It succeeded so well that the United States of America became a monster in which the taints, the sickness, the inhumanity of Europe have grown to appalling dimensions. The head of state speaks for a country. The head of state speaks for a nation. The head of state, when they speak at all times, that is policy. They are not supposed to draw from the dungeons of ignorance. President Trump claims not to know Lesotho of Sangomot. Chief, let's get him the tune. My way. Trump ran a shop that sold denim jeans. Lesotho is one of the big suppliers from its textile industry. It's one of the big suppliers of denim jeans, in particular Levi, which are, at the moment, is one of the key to Beyonce's performances, to Beyonce's brands. How can you not know Lesotho? Wapara Bogati yabona. Ma way. His best friend from South Africa there has applied to have his Starlink in Lesotho as we speak. How can you claim not to know Basotho?
Lana uDr Mbuyiseni Ndlozi uthi head of state yase-United States njalo umisukumi ikhuluma ifuna ukungcolisa image yamanye amazwe. Iclaima manje ukuthi ayiyazi iLesotho. Uthi ungahlala kanjani iLesotho ungayazi? Ngoba uTrump unesitolo esithengisa amajini and iLesotho number 1 supplier ye-textile. Shothi indwangu lezi ekhandwa ngazo amajini. Uzuyabala ke namakhampani njengoLevi ukuthi asupplywa iLesotho. Ungahlala kanjani ungayazi leyo ndawo? Njengoba uTrump ushilo wathi uTrump ignorance. Kodwa umngana omkhulu wase South Africa ufuna ukuyokhanda ikhampani yakhe khona eLesotho. Kodwa yena uhlelo uthi akayazi. Ilokho kokusho uDr Mbuyiseni Ndlozi noma ngingakushongo konke kodwa uzwele nawe njengoba ekhuluma. Asicaphule uCIC. uCIC uzozivezela ukuthi inhloso kaDonald Trump yini. Ningithethelele angizi ukuyidlala yonke iziphele ivideo kaCIC. Ngizoyidlala ngenqamule ngiphawule phinde ngiyidlale ngenqamule ngiphawule ngoba iYouTube angeke ngivumele ngoba ivideo akuyona eyami. Akusimo ishuthile angeke ngivumele ukuthi ngivele ngiyidlale nje yonke. Funa ngiyidlale nginqamule ngiphawule nami ngakushilo bese siphinde siqhubeka kanjalo. Cela nje ningibekezelele.
House Chairperson, the first remark we wish to make is that there was a very little engagement politically If anything, people want to blackmail us about aid and all sorts of things. But they know very well that there is no reason related to any wrongdoing by South Africa which has led to USA cutting its own aid. You can't say Donald Trump must be elected today and the following day he makes executive orders, and then you come here and blame the South African government as if the South African government did not do anything in between. That was a predetermined outcome where he wanted to come into office and punish South Africa for its position on Palestine and many other issues. We must
Uthi-ke uCIC la abantu basebenzisa i-aid le ukuze bacontrole iSouth Africa noma bayimanipulate ngoba bazi ukuthi inceke kuyo ngokwe-aid. Futhi uthi azikho izinto ezenziwe ngokwepolitiki ukuze kuxhunyane ukuze noma isiphi isinqumo asithatha uTrump asithathe besazi ukuthi ukhuluma nohulumeni waseSouth Africa. Uthi futhi nesizathu esenza ukuthi uTrump athathe isinqumo sokukhatha le-aid le beyiphuma ize South Africa. Isinqumo vele asithathena ngaphandle ukuthi khona into eyiphuthe eyenziwe eSouth Africa. Kodwa nje indlela abazama ukuthi bayicontrole ngayo South Africa. Uthi futhi la agcizelela khona sihle isinqumo esathe eSouth Africa sokuthi isupport iPalestine, okuyisona sizathu lesi-ke senza ukuthi uDonald Trump anqamule le-aid eza la eSouth Africa. Siqhubeke.
be very clear that we are not going to agree to any form of bullying by anyone. It's a lie that there is farm killings in South Africa. Actually, those who are married in farms and owning farms, they kill each other for money, for policy monies. The farmers themselves kill each other for greedy reasons. The farm workers kill the farmers because they rape them in exchange for money and do not pay them, like Eugene Terreblanche did when he raped a farm worker and did not want to pay. We cannot be told that there are farm murders in South Africa when the farmers themselves are actually killing the farm workers. It was the white farmers who killed 2 women in Polokwane and fed them to the pigs. It's a complete lie that white people are being killed in South Africa. If
Uyaqhubeka kuCIC uthi futhi akulona iqiniso ukuthi kubulawa ama-white farmers la eSouth Africa. Into eyenzekayo ama-white farmers wona ngokwawo wayabulalana for the great reason, for ukuba lukhuni nje ngeyinhliziyo kwawo. Uthi futhi okwesibili bona bayabulalana amakhosikazi ababulala amadoda abulala amakhosikazi ngoba kuzophuma imali zepolice. Ikhona nje case kade ngiyibona yomunye umamula ko 43 44 years obulala indoda yakhe ngoba efuna ipolice. Uthi izona izathu lezo bese ngathi kubulawa ama-white farmers. Uthi okunye ama-white farmers abulawa abasebenzi babo ngoba ababakhokhela imali baqeda babadlwengule bengabakho njengoba kwenzeka Eugene Terreblanche kwakwenzeka ku-Eugene Terreblanche. So lezo zizathu lezo bese laba abaya America beqamba manga bethi kubulawa ama-farmers eSouth Africa, white farmers. Uthi kodwa nje iqinisweni lilonke ama-white farmer abantu abangabelungu abamhlophe la eSouth Africa baphila in privilege. Asiqhubeke noCIC.
anything, white people live in privilege, and that's what Donald Trump knows. You cannot say Donald Trump is misinformed. They've got the best intelligence equipment in the whole world. They even have a military base next to South Africa in Botswana to listen to every conversation we have. They can tell you what is in private conversation in the executive and everywhere else. They don't need AfriForum. They are using AfriForum as a scapegoat to punish us politically. And we ought to be very clear about that. When the aid came into South Africa at the first place, it was not to help Africans. It was imperialist forces putting the aid into South Africa so that they can control South Africa. And use that aid to always say to you, if you take a political stand against the imperialist forces, we'll always cut the aid. So we ought to have known even then that we're not supposed to entirely rely on the USA. I'm very happy that the Minister of Health is speaking about possible interventions that can be made to avoid that aid of America. We can do with every help, but we will never accept help that say we must allow the perpetuation of white privilege. We cannot allow the whiteness to prevail in South Africa because we want to save life. We will save life. America did not save us during apartheid. Children were murdered in 1976. Children were murdered in the 80s. Where was America against apartheid? If America had anything to save an African life, it's a lie. They never wanted to save us. They were never there for us before. Palestine was there for us. Cuba was there for us. Russia was there for us. America will never choose friends for us.
Honorable
We will
member,
choose our own
your
friends.
time
Thank
is
you
now
very much.
expired. Thank you.
Njengoba umuzwa ku-CIC ethi kwasekuqaleni le aid yaphuma e-America ayiphumanga ngenhloso yokuzosiza kodwa yaphuma ngoba laba abamhlophe babethi noma lama imperial party amboza ngama imperials wathi khohlela igama lalisebenzisile bathi ukufanele le aid iphumele ukuthi icontrol i-government yase South Africa ukuthi mayithatha inqumo eyithize kuthiwa ngoba nithatha inqumo eyithize siyayikhathi 8 uthi futhi ujabule mayezwa uMinister of Health uDr Aaron Motsoaledi ethi kunezinye indlela abazozama ukuze bekwazi ukuthi kusustain impilo zabantu uthi futhi yayikuphi iAmerica ngesikhathi apartheid America ayikaze yasiza ngalutho ukusave impilo zabantu uthi ngo1976 uma kufa ingane iAmerica yenzani yayingeke America lapha ngakho ke abangavumi ngeke bavuma ukuthi baxaze America ngoba ayikaze yabalekelela uthi kodwa ngesikhathi apartheid iPalestina yaba nalo usizo iRussia yaba nalo usizo ingakho ethi akubhekwe ezinye indlela kodwa kungavunywa ukuthi kusetshenziswe i-aid ukuze kuqhutshwe kuqhuqhumezela ukuthi kube khona i-white privileges into elwelayo la eSouth Africa kakhulukazi ukuthi kulingane iyona nkulumo eshiwo uCIC ibaluleke kakhulu lenkulumo kuyizwa kwami ngoba unamaphuzu azwakalayo futhi uyamuzwa kumuntu owumholi ukuthi hey lo muntu unawo ama skills okuba yileader noma ke enamaphutha njengawo bonke abantu ngiyacela ukuze ukuphawula kwakho la ku comment section ngizwe wena ukuthi ubona kanjani kuyo yonke lenkulumo esiyilethile namuhla ngale kwalokho subscribe ushare ulike ucomment mina nawe asidibene kwivideo elandelayo ngiyabonga.